As a healthcare professional, you know that patient care is about trust, precision, and outcomes that set you apart. With Empire Medical Training's Dermal Filler Training and Certification course designed for physicians, dentists, and nurses, you can enhance your current practice or turn your passion into a rewarding specialty. In a booming industry with over 6 million filler treatments performed annually, don't just keep pace, lead. Tap into this lucrative market and turn your skills into significant revenue growth. Gain hands-on experience under the guidance of practice-owning aesthetic experts, mastering techniques for key areas like lip enhancement, cheek augmentation, and tear trough correction. Learn to use top products like Juvederm, Restylane, Radiesse, and Sculptra, and more to deliver superior results. Find a workshop near you in 50 states and earn Empire's nationally recognized certification, accredited with 8 AMA PRA Category 1 credits. Stand out with credentials that patients value. Benefit from pre-course virtual training, small group hands-on sessions with a live model, and our unique live mentor program for ongoing support. Join America's #1 dermal filler training program. With over 26 years of experience and 175,000 successful graduates, we offer unmatched hands-on training led by world-renowned educators. Don't settle for average. Visit empiremedicaltraining.com today or call 844-565-3131 to get started.